How to add and remove Instagram Reels from profile grid. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. Then open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now simply scroll down. Now find the reel you want to remove. Now keep holding the reel. Now drag your finger to three dots. Now tap on remove from main grid. Now wait for some time. Now if you want to add any reel to the main grid, tap on the reel section. Now find the reel. Now tap on the reel. Then
How
tap
to
on
tag
three dots.
someone on Instagram story.
Then tap on three dots. Now tap on add to main grid. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.